Welcome to Summer Jamboree Dance Academy.
I'm Kendall.
And I'm Ronnie.
And we're going to be teaching you Collegiate Shag. Collegiate Shag was introduced in the 1930s, but became extremely popular amongst college kids in the 1940s.
And we're going to be teaching you guys the step kick basic, and then progressing from there from very basic moves to more complex moves using the step kick basic.
And you'll be able to interchange these as much as you want. It's going to give you tons of moves for the dance floor.
Right. So let's go ahead and show you what that step kick basic looks like, and then we'll break it down for you. So it's going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for just the footwork, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. So separately, we're just going to start with our slows, and our slows are 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we introduced this as a side-by-side basic. The way we like to teach it is the step kick basic, because that's essentially kind of what you're doing on your slows. Leaders, you're going to start with your weight on your right.
Follows your weight on your left.
And you're going to step on the 1, kick on the 2.
All right, let's try that together. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, step
1,
kick.
2.
I think I said a million words all at once, but that's okay.
That's all right.
Let's keep going. So next you're going to try to continue with your next slow.
Which is going to be the 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4. So what's happening is after the 1, your foot's out here. Leaders, it's going to be your right foot. Follows, it's going to be your left foot. You're just going to step on the 3 and then kick on the 4 again. So we're always kicking on the even numbers.
And let's show footwork here.
Sure.
5, 6, 7, 8, step, kick, and from behind. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, kick. All right, so one thing I really do want to mention is that your foot is going to be sliding back with that kick, and that's going to really help with your speed. You want to be able to do this as quick as you can and without that drag of the floor. If you're wearing super sticky shoes, you're going to be really fighting that floor. You want to have no resistance, so that's better on your knees also.
So if you do have sticky shoes, you can use some talc powder just to put a little bit on your foot, and it makes it a little bit more slippery.
Or until you get those shoes, you can try doing it in your socks.
Right. So what that's going to look like kind of from the side with the body dynamics of kind of the scoot that we're talking about when we kick is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So you see how much we both scoot back on that, the 2 and the 4. That's what's really going to make this a lot easier to do. It's going to look a lot smoother, and it's going to make it just a more dynamic looking dance.
And that's a great point also. Like, you don't want to be bouncing up and down. So by sliding, you're actually focusing on going into the floor. If you don't do that, you're going to be going up, and we don't want that. We want to be going down and staying in place.
So let's go ahead and just try the slows.
But first, let's show the
with that in mind.
Close-up
Sure.
of the feet. Just with the slide, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from the side, 5, 6, 7, 8. And see that we're never actually moving from our spot, even though we are going backwards. We're always putting our foot back into place.
We're going to work on traveling later on, but for this, it's just a stationary basic. But again, that slide just makes it a lot easier to do.
And then you follow that up with your 5, 6, which is a quick.
Right.
And quick just look like this, one set, and it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, quick.
So just 2 little kicks on the 5 and then the 6.
And you want to keep those short and close to your body. You're not going to have your foot really extend out here or over here. You're going to keep it nice and close.
Right, those are happening so quick that you have to make them very small.
So let's just try that basic really slowly together with counts.
Sure.
5, 6, 7, 8, slow.
1, 2, 3,
slow,
4, 5,
quick.
6.
All right, and here. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. And now we wanted to show it also in an open position, which we're going to be using in a lot of our classes today.
Right. So that's going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Keep in mind we're not kicking each other because we are at a distance.
Right.
And in this position, we're not kicking each other because we are in open position.
Mm-hmm. And in some shag basics, you're going to be kicking a little bit more to the side. For the step kick, you really don't have to. It's going to be very linear. So when we dance it in the side position, it's going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, let's try that to music.
All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step,
1,
kick,
2,
step,
3,
kick.
4, 5,
Quick
6.
step,
1,
kick,
2,
step,
3,
kick.
4,
Quick,
5,
quick.
6. All right, you guys, go ahead and watch that as many times as you need in order to get that step kick basic down, because you're going to be using it for the rest of our classes.